So today we're going to be trying on this CPP gearbox and the steering linkage. I'm just going to be test fitting this stuff just so you can see how close it is to the frame after you reinforce it. So this is a CPP 500 series. This is the part number here. It's 5003. The box does show 5003-2. It does say new design, but I've ran this before, and the turning radius is really nice, really smooth. So the first thing that it calls for is enlarging the holes that hold the gearbox. These are 7/16 bolts, so we're gonna go ahead and enlarge them just with the step bit, or you can use a drill bit also. So let me go ahead and get that going. So as you can see, the original holes are too small, so we're gonna make some easy work with the step bit here and just make them a little bit bigger. Easy. One more. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Hey, just a quick tip: when you're putting this on, you just want to start these evenly, all three of them. So if you go and tighten one of them, you're not going to be able to get the other ones in. So just a quick tip. I got the linkage fitted here. Everything fits really nice. So I really wanted to do this video to show you guys the importance of recessing the belly. So these inner tie rods are extremely close to the frame, even on a stock frame. So once you go adding metal here, they're definitely going to hit if you do not recess the belly. So it's very, very important. You can see how close they are. Look at that. So I'm going to move them here, so you can see there's not a lot of room here. Look at that. And that's about how close they are on a stock frame. So if I had not recessed this belly, we'll definitely have some issues here. Let's go to the passenger side. See how close that is. So yeah, very important, guys. So this is a manual center link. You have to buy a manual center link when you buy the CPP 500. The factory power steering center link will not work with this gearbox. If you guys need to see how this is set up, the short end is on the driver's side, and then this longer end over here is on the passenger side. So that's really it for this video, guys. CPP 500, great gearbox, highly recommended. Make sure you recess your belly when you're doing all this reinforcement and work on your frames. And now I got the stage set for part 3 of the frame wrap series. So y'all stay tuned. There's a lot more to come. And thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it.